How to block ads on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on search button on top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on search button on top right corner of your screen, search private DNS. Simply click on private DNS and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on private DNS again and then make sure it's private DNS provider host name and then type in dns.adguard.com. After you've added dns.adguard.com, simply click on save and all the ads will be blocked on your Android device. This is how to block ads on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.